Welcome to our Valentine's Day video. Lily and I make an annual Valentine's Day recipe. And what are we making today, Lil?
Love potion.
We're making a love potion. This is a really yummy juice. And what color is everything in our juice today?
Red, red, red.
Do you know what fruits and veggies these are? You know what that one is.
I forgot. Beet.
And what are beets good for?
Your heart. It keeps your heart pumping with blood.
Yes, they're very good for a healthy heart. If you eat them every day, have a very healthy heart. What's that one?
Raspberries.
You like raspberries?
Yeah.
Are they really sweet or are they like sort of sour? What do they taste like?
They're both.
They're both. You're right. I don't know if you know what that one is.
Strawberries.
Oh, you're good. You're so smart. Now, I think I know somebody who strawberries are their favorite. Who would that be?
Me.
Do you know what those are? Pomegranate seeds. Yes. And I like pomegranate seeds juice because I actually don't like to chew them because, well, they're seeds. They're kind of hard when you chew them, right?
I just tried one and they were the yuckies.
Great. Well, hopefully they're better in the juice. You want to give it a shot and see? Let's try it.
But what are these healthy for?
Strawberries are high in antioxidants. Actually, all of these are high in antioxidants. They're great for your skin. They're great for so many things in your body. They have tons of nutrients. Another food that you want to eat every single day. They fight off germs and bad things in your body. Very, very powerful. Berries are one of the best things you can eat. That's why you're so healthy and strong. You have all your fruits and berries every day. Okay, you ready to juice?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Yummy. A lot of times with juice recipes, you juice things that you don't want to eat, like chew a ton of. So you may like juice kale or celery or cucumbers. Like maybe you wouldn't eat 3 cucumbers, but you could juice 3 cucumbers. But today, since Valentine's Day is a very special holiday all about love, we thought we would juice some things that are a little bit sweeter. Maybe you could probably eat a whole bowl of strawberries, right? I bet you could. So a lot of times people don't juice like berries and such, but for a very fancy special juice, it was perfect for Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. Okay.
First, let's start with the...
There you go. You got it.
Oh,
There we go.
it's coming out.
Okay, great. Keep going. We're using a slow juicer. I love this juicer. I really love horizontal juicers, means they juice this direction instead of vertical, but that's just me. And it's quiet.
Yeah. That means people can hear us.
Yes.
I'm gonna do it.
Okay, you got it. Great.
In here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
These ones.
Yeah, oh, some already went down. There you go. Do you like to eat healthy foods, Lily?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like broccoli.
What are your favorite healthy foods?
Broccoli, banana, and goat milk.
Goat milk. She said goat milk, broccoli, bananas.
And even strawberries. And this mine are fried.
I think you've had beets before, but they've been cooked, and you've had them in a juice.
Why don't you get in there?
Beets are very hard when they're not cooked.
I love mushrooms. Mushrooms are the best.
Okay, we're all full. We are going to try the juice now. Do you know what this is called? This is all the pulp. That's the fiber from the juice. And sometimes you can use it for things. So then what you can do is kind of scrape this to get more juice out. I've been doing it the whole time, so you probably don't need to do much of it, but there's still liquid in there. Just kind of move it around, because this is the pulp that
This is dripping.
you do. Is it dripping? Yeah. So sometimes making juice is a little bit messy, but that's kind of fun, huh? Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. What does it smell like?
Smells nice and more. It smells like strawberry.
It smells like strawberries. I think it's going to be really good. Should we pour it?
Delicious.
Delicious. Yay. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Okay, Lily, it's time for a toast. A toast to love and what else?
hear about each other.
Me too. It's amazing. It's so tasty. It's delicious.
Yeah.
And this is so healthy. The darker the color, like the more rich the color is, the more anthocyanins and antioxidants are in it. Can you say that? Anthocyanins?
Antioxidants.
That's really close. That was really good. Antioxidants.
Antioxidants.
Yeah. Okay. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Hope you enjoy our love potion.